Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the Linksys WRT1200AC Wi-Fi router step by step. Whether you're installing it for the first time or replacing an older router, this guide will help you get your network up and running quickly. Let's get started. How to connect to Linksys Smart Wi-Fi. To open Linksys Smart Wi-Fi, visit linksys.smartwifi.com or myrouter.local, if not online, with a web browser. Enter the email address and password you set up earlier, and click Login. How to change router settings. Log into your Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account by visiting linksys.smartwifi.com or myrouter.local, if not online, with a web browser. In the menu on the left, click an option. Network Map lets you display and manage all network devices connected to your router. You can view devices on your main network and your guest network, disconnect devices, or display information about each device. Guest Access lets you configure and monitor a network that guests can use without accessing all of your network resources. Parental Controls lets you block websites and set internet access times. Media Prioritization lets you set which devices and applications have top priority for your network traffic. Speed Test lets you test your network's internet connection speed. External Storage lets you access an attached USB drive or eSATA drive, neither drive is included, and set up file sharing, a media server, and FTP access. Connectivity lets you configure basic and advanced network settings. If you are unable to set up your Linksys WRT1200AC Wi-Fi router or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thank you for watching.